Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power x is equals to 3 power x plus 9, and we have to find the value of x. So in this question we are using the exponent rule that said x power m plus n is equals to x power m times x power n. So I'm going to use this rule in right hand side. So left hand side I will write it as x power x, and here 3 power x plus 9 I will write it as 3 power x times 3 power 9. Now I'm going to divide the whole equation with 3 power x. So x power x divided by 3 power x is equals to 3 power x times 3 power 9 by 3 power x. So I can eliminate this 3 power x with 3 power x. So what is left? X power x over 3 power x is equals to 3 power 9. Or we can use the identity that is a power b over c power b. We can write it as a by c whole power b. So we can write it as x by 3 whole power x is equals to 3 power 9. So here on the right hand side, our base is 3. So 3, we can set it as 9 by 3 is also 3. So I'm going to replace it. So x by 3 power x is equals to 9 by 3 power 9. So on comparing both sides, what we notice then in numerator where x the power is 9 and in power also in place of x it's 9. So the value of x will be 9. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.